Would you like to fast track the amount of time it's going to take you to become a successful and profitable Forex trader? If you want to shortcut your time, listen up. I've got some great tips for you coming up right now. Hey there traders, it's Andrew Mitchem here at the Forex Trading Coach with video and podcast number 559. Now, some of you may already know my story. If you don't, back when I started trading, it took me around 4 years to become what I would call a profitable trader. That's a very long time, lots of long hours staring at the charts, lots of reading information, lots of buying different products and following people, and in the early days of expert advisors and automated systems, and creating my own manual systems and following all sorts of people. Anyway, as you know, it's a slow, long, tedious and expensive process. And all you're doing is tearing your hair out because you know that really the next greatest, latest thing, fantastic, yes, and then it doesn't work. And I went round and round and round on the old hamster wheel for 4 years before I realized I needed to make this work, and I sort of stripped everything off my charts and I started to look at price action and candle patterns and basically developed my own strategy. Yes, I pulled a few things here and there from other people that I followed, but I basically developed something that worked for me, and to this day, I'm still using that exact same trading strategy, and it's very profitable. And in over 15 years of teaching at the Forex Trading Coach, we've helped thousands and thousands of traders from now 108 countries. So it works. Like it's worked across all market conditions and over all that length of time. So that's a great thing. Now, to help people that come on board with us, one of the things that we do here at the Forex Trading Coach is we post specific trades each day based off the daily charts. I've done this every trading day since 2010. Like we stopped for Christmas and Easter, things like that. But apart from that, we post specific trades every single day. We look at the daily charts when they change over, which is 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, that's New York time. And we then analyze the charts and we scan through all the daily charts. I mean, originally it was just the Forex markets. Now we look through the metals and the indices and cryptos, etc. as well. And we go through and we analyze the markets, and we take trades based off those daily charts. Now, each day the odd day there are no trades, but most days there's sort of between 1 and maybe 4 or 5 trades. Today, for example, is just 1, but it's non-farm payroll day in America on Friday, so very cautious of what we're trading today. But we scan through the charts, we look at the patterns that we're looking for, and we say, here's a trade. And we're saying, here's the currency pair that we're trading, the direction we're trading, and then a paragraph of reasons why, 4 or 5 lines of why we are taking that trade based off all the things that we know and we teach as part of the strategy. We also put the exact entry and exit levels that we're taking. We're saying we're taking if it's a buy trade, a buy limit order, so to buy below the current price here, with a stop loss there and the profit target there. And we also take a market order with the stop loss there and the profit target there. All the levels people would know because they're all part of the course of how we use our price projections and stop loss levels, etc. But by putting that on there, it's saying this is what we're doing in real time. No hindsight benefit, no economist stuff of this is what happened yesterday and this is what we might have done. This is in real time, every single day. Now, those daily trades every year since 2010 have been profitable for ourselves and our clients. So we call it you can earn while you learn. Really important that you're actually earning some money, of course, to start with, but also almost as important, or probably if not more important, you're learning. And you're learning to train your eye in real time to see the patterns that we're taking and the reasons why we're taking those trades. Now, some of those trades will get stopped out. Of course they will. Part of trading, just natural part of trading. You have to accept that. But we have risk management, which I talk about all the time with the low controlled equal risk. And we know that if our trades hit the profit targets, then they make sort of between a 2.5, 3.5 to 1 reward to risk depending on the trade. So that is there for our clients, no matter where they live in those 108 countries around the world, all on different time zones, etc. Everybody can take those trades and earn from and learn from them. Now, The beginning of each week, we also post exactly the same off the weekly charts. The beginning of each month, exactly the same off the monthly charts. And then on a day-by-day basis, we also scan through the 12, 8, and 6-hour charts as they change over at that start of the new day, and we post trades on that. But it's the daily chart trades that are the ones that everybody can follow along. Very specific trades, lots of learning, paragraph of reasons, entry and exit, etc. All there for clients to follow. On top of that, of course, we have webinar each week, a live 2-hour webinar. Just last night was a US session webinar that Paul Tillman took over in the US for the people on that side of the world and that time zone. I take the European session by evening, European morning session, the alternate weeks. On those sessions, we are taking trades live, trading on live accounts. We also post trades on our forum site, as do our clients. But the important thing to understand is if you have somewhere that you can log into once a day and see a trade or a number of trades, and you can see them on your charts in real time, and you can see why we've taken them with understanding the explanations, and you've got your exact entry and exit levels there again, which you'd know anyway, all taught in the course. What that's doing is it's building confidence. You can then start to, over time, scan the charts and see if you're going to pick the same trades as we pick. And it's building confidence so you have the ability to trade the system and the strategy for yourself in real time and to be profitable and successful. And that's what it's all about. So that process, I wish I had that, because like I said, it took me 4 years of going around in circles, going nowhere. I wish I had someone to follow. I wish I had specific trades to follow and to understand why they've been taken. And then not just to follow, but to build on from that and to be able to do that for myself. And that's what we're about. The Forex Trading Coach. We're about teaching someone to fish. To start with, we go, here's a fish. Feed yourself on the fish to start with. But we're about teaching you how to fish so you can become an independent and successful trader. Now, if you'd like to find out how we can help you do that, click on the link below that you'll find for my free 17-minute masterclass. If you'd like to book a call with myself or one of my team, I'll put a link to that as well. And if you're out there looking for a really top broker, great bunch of people, they offer the MT4 and MT5 platform. I can highly recommend Blueberry Markets. They're based over in Australia. I've been with them for years, as have a lot of my clients use or choose to use Blueberry Markets. I'll put a link to them as well, and you can find out more about them if you're out there looking for a good broker. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, as my screen's gone off here now. So it tells me we're probably at the end of the video. And any questions that you have about any topics you'd like me to discuss on future videos and podcasts, just let me know. Email me directly, andrew@forextradingcoach.com, or leave a comment on here if you're watching this on a video. I'll see you this time next week. Bye for now.